So I said the question asks you to find the equation of a plane that contains a line r equals to blah 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 and a coordinate of 0, -1, and 1. So the sketch that I draw on the board, the line is, the direction is that I minus 2j plus k. The equation is that, right? So the coordinate down that the line passes through, the coordinate is, I name it as A. So I have two coordinates on my plane now. A is the coordinate that the line passed through, and C is another coordinate that he mentioned. Anyone have questions about the sketch until here? No. Now, if I ask you to find AC, how are you going to find AC? OC minus OA. So what is AC? Negative I plus J plus 0, right? So there is no K. Anyone have questions until here?
Isn't there no I?
No I. OC minus OA.
Yeah, OC, no I, right?
Yeah, so 0 minus I.
Shouldn't it be minus J plus K?
No, the coordinate of A is this end. So 0 minus I is negative I, right? -1 minus. The others equations?
No, sir.
No, okay. Why I asked you to find AC? Because the condition is, if you have the direction of AC, and you have the line directions, so now you have two vector on the plane, right? The first vector is the line directions. The second vector is the vector of AC. The normal that you need, the normal have to be perpendicular to it. Have to be perpendicular to the line, and also have to be perpendicular to it. AC, isn't it? The normal have to be perpendicular to the line and also have to be perpendicular to AC. Anyone want to ask questions until here? So I can say the normal is the common perpendicular to the line direction and also to the vector of AC. So what is the line direction just now? 2, -1 and 1, right? What is the vector of AC just now? -1, 1 and
0.
0. How to find the common perpendicular? Follow the rule just now. Close the first one, cross -1 and 0, -1 and 1. So if you -1 times 0 minus 1. Close the second row, -1 times 1 minus 2 times 0, right? Close the third row, 2 times 1 minus -1 times -1. So -1. So means the common perpendicular is given by -1, -1, and 1. Any question?
No, sir.
No. From 27 people, 26 people in the room, everyone understand. This is my best achievement in my teaching history. Oh, okay, good. So now you have the normal already. The normal is the common perpendicular of the plane. That is the common perpendicular of the line direction and the vector of AC. You take visual of it first, yeah, before you continue. If you say you understand. So we haven't answered the questions. What does the question ask? The question asks us to find the plane equations. What are the plane equations formula just now given by? R dot n equals to
And the A.
n dot a. Actually, if vectors I need understanding the formula only like this equals to. Now for the A have two options now because there are two coordinates that you can use. Either coordinate of A or coordinate of C. I use C. So the equations of the plane is given by negative x minus y plus z equals to 2. So if you want to check the answer key, right, never check this here. This one I get 2 because I use the coordinate of C, right? If you use the coordinate of A, we'll get 2 just now. No. So when you check answer key, you only check this. The directions. Any question?
So what's Rn dot equals to n dot A? So
Equation of the plane, R dot n. The very first person.
so what does R stand for?
XYZ.
Oh, okay. So
Other? No. You guys are learning further pure maths, eh? It's no longer in pure maths. Very impressive with no questions. No question? Oh, okay. Continue again.
Why we not Rn and A from the beginning?
Why we not what?
The Rn and A. Why we not do it from the beginning?
Because we don't know the normal. So the normal in here, in this question just now when I cleared, right? The normal have to be perpendicular to the line and also have to be perpendicular to those 2 points. That's why it's difficult. So the normal is not given from beginning. No questions. Continue again. Okay, so now your plane should carry 3 coordinates. When I sketch a plane, right, it's just a random sketch, okay? So don't imagine the plane is that. If you want to sketch a 3D plane, you can waste your whole life to imagine that. You need a computer program to do that. So the simple sketch is there's a plane, should have ABC. Now if you want me to find the equation of the plane immediately, the first question that I want to ask you is what is the normal? Because equation of a plane is given by r dot n equals to n dot a. No normal, nothing can be found. There are 3 points, so how many lines you can draw? 3 lines, AC, AB, and BC. The normal that you need have to be perpendicular to 3 of them, to AC, to AB, to BC. But then when we are going to solve the common perpendicular, how many vectors do we need? Do you need until 3?
No.
Only need 2 in this case. So it's up to you. Let's say I use a vector of AB, and for example, I use AC. So now I solve AB first. So AB equals to OB minus OA. So I, 0J, and 2K. Is OC minus OA. So negative I plus 2J plus K. So now the vector that I'm talking about is 1, 0, and 2, right? And one more is negative 1, 2, and 1. So I'm finding the common perpendicular for this, yeah, not the dot rule, the common perpendicular. Close the first row, cross down and cross up. So 0 minus 4. Close the second row, cross up first, so negative 2 minus 1. Close the third row, 1 times 2 minus 0. So the normal is a negative 4, negative 3, and 2. So So after you get the normal already, then you can continue. So now you have r dot n, right? So negative 4 minus 3. You start with x, y, z, right? Equals to n dot a. The a may choose from that 3 points. So because I'm very lazy, I choose 0, 0, negative 1. Do you understand until here?
Yeah.
So just got it. So become negative 4x minus 3y plus 2z equals to negative 2. That is the answer. Anyone wanted to ask questions until here?
So if the A we use AB or AC main also.
Coordinate. So A or B or C. Not the line direction. Only the coordinate.
Okay.
Yeah, can. Up to you. No questions?
Sir,
Yeah.
the formula for common perpendicular always find the n one, yes, sir.
Common perpendicular many uses, but then in this case, yeah, we are using that to find the n. The application that I use for the common perpendicular in this discussion is only to find the n.
Oh. Okay.
No questions? Okay, back to your worksheet. Try number 1 triple I. Number 2 triple I. And number 3I.